Hindi ito napapakiusapan. Hindi ito natatakot. Hindi ito napipilit magsinungaling. A number either matches or it does not. At higit sa lahat, hindi po ito basta numero lamang. Pera ito ng taong bayan. Pera ito ng manggagawang Pilipino na araw-araw kumakayod, ng pamilyang nagtitipid para makabayad ng buwis, ng bawat Pilipinong umaasa na ang kanilang ambag ay napupunta sa tama. A peso is either accounted for or it is missing. At kapag pinagsama-sama ang mga numerong ito mula sa SALN, BIR, AMLC, they begin to tell a story which no press conference can rewrite, no diversion can erase. Because numbers, once laid bare, speak with a clarity that cuts through noise. And when they point to a discrepancy, they do not whisper. They demand to be answered. Kung ayaw magsalita ng tao, kung ayaw humarap ng vice-presidente, hayaan natin na ang mga numero ang magkwento. Sa hearing na ito, we shall therefore enter the territory of forensic truth. Sa pamamagitan ng mga numerong ito, malalaman natin ang tunay na pagkatao sa likod ng posisyon. Siya ba ay tunay na public servant o isa pa lang private billionaire? At ang direksyon natin ngayon ay simple, ngunit matibay. We follow the evidence wherever it leads. Hindi tayo magpapadala sa ingay. Hindi tayo lilihis sa proseso. Ang ating sandigan ay ang konstitusyon at ang ating layunin ay ang katotohanan. Because in the end, ang tanong ay hindi kung sino ang pinakamalakas ang boses. Hindi kung sino ang pinakamaingay sa labas, kundi kung saan tayo itinuturo ng ebidensya. As we see it now, the chair right before us, it remains empty. At tila, sanay na po tayo sa tanawing iyan. Ngunit kahit bakante ang upuang iyan, even if that chair remains empty, this room is full of the people's questions. Napakaraming tanong. Mga tanong na sa kabila ng pag-iwas, hindi mawawala. Sa kabila ng pananahimik, hindi maglalaho. Mga tanong na kailanman ay hindi kayang takasan ng bakanteng upuan. Not today. Not anymore. Let the evidence speak. Let the numbers testify. Let the chips fall where they may be. Let us finally resume this hearing. With that, this committee shall proceed.
Madam Chair.
The Chair, the Honorable Chua. The Chair directs the Committee Secretary to call the case.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara C. Duterte, filed by Reverend Father Joel Saballa et al. And endorsed by Representative Laila M. De Lima, and filed by Attorney Nathaniel G. Cabrera, and endorsed by Representatives Bienvenido M. Abante Jr. and Francisco Paulo P. Ortega V.
Let it be placed on the record that the committee secretary called the vice president, and it appears that the vice president is still not present in our hearing. The chair likewise direct the committee secretary to call the complainants, at least to be acknowledged. COMSEC.
The complainants in the Saballa et al. Impeachment complaint: Father Joel Tadena Saballa, Father Rogelio del Rosario, Sister Geraldine Denoga DC, Pinky Tam, Father Joselito Sarabia CM, and Pastor Leonardo Arevalo. And the counsels for the complainants, Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan and Attorney Stephen Magallon.
The chair acknowledges the presence of complainants in Saballa et al. Complaint. The second impeachment complaint, COMSEC, please.
For the Cabrera impeachment complaint, Attorney Nathaniel G. Cabrera, complainant.
May we know if Attorney Cabrera is present? No one answered. Let it be placed on the record that while the Saballa et al. Complainant are present, Attorney Cabrera is not present in our hearing today. The chair likewise direct the committee secretary to call the resource person for today's hearing.
Thank you, Madam Chair. On behalf of the Committee on Justice, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the following resource persons. From the Office of the Ombudsman, Ombudsman Jesus Crispin C. Remulla, Assistant Ombudsman Jose Dominic F. Clavano IV, Assistant Ombudsman Luis Gonzaga S. Bonoan Jr., Assistant Ombudsman Armando S. Sanchez Jr.,
Mr.
Attorney
Chairman,
Karen S.
Madam Chair, could we ask those called to acknowledge that they are present?
We are
Raising of
requesting the
hands.
resource persons to please
We already
rise
saw
as
our-
your names are called.
And we already saw the appearance